Okay, what are you doing now, Christopher? What do we have to do? Just put that down and I'll open it for you. You have to explain to everybody what you're doing.
I'm putting some hot sauce in. Be really careful.
Soapy hot sauce water. You have to put some of that sunlight in there too?
Hey. Shut.
Look at that. You can have some later.
Look. I want to see.
Put some soap in. You need to stir it up?
Yeah.
Here's a chopstick to stir it up.
Then I'm stirring it with a big bad chopstick, and it looks like there's too much dark in it.
You think it's alright though?
Yeah, and then...
Now what do we do?
And
Is it mixed up good enough?
Almost mixed up. So, and it's really hot, so be careful.
You done?